Welcome to our channel. Learn how to download Spotify playlists offline so you can enjoy your favorite music without using data or internet connection. Step 1. Open Spotify app and ensure you have a premium subscription. Offline downloads are only available for premium members. Step 2. Navigate to the playlist you want to download. You can find your playlist in your library section. Step 3. Look for the download toggle switch near the playlist name. It appears as a downward arrow or download icon. Step 4. Toggle the download switch to the on position. The switch will turn green, indicating download has started. Step 5. Wait for all songs to download. You'll see a green arrow next to each song as it completes downloading. Step 6. Check your storage space if downloads fail. Go to Settings, Storage, and ensure you have enough space available. Step 7. Verify offline mode works by turning on airplane mode. Your downloaded playlists should still play perfectly. Step 8. Manage your downloads in Settings. Go to Storage to see how much space your offline music uses. Step 9. Remember to go online at least once every 30 days to keep your downloads active and licensed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.